So what if we want to add to a list? So we talked about how to access a list, how to delete things from a list. Let's talk about how to add to a list. To add to a list, we want to use the append keyword most of the time. Now there is an insert method as well that allows us to insert something at a specific index in the list. So I can use append like this, and it will put that at the end of the list. The nice thing about this is that I don't have to know any indexes. If I just want to add it to the list and I don't really care about the position, I just tack it on to the end. It will just add to the list. Now, if I want to insert to the list, it's a little bit different, right? So let's see here. Now, let's say I want to add to the list. List li names, append. We already have Joe. Let's say we want Dan. Okay, so list li names, append Dan. Okay, so now we have Dan added to the end of the list. Now, if I want to, I could say li names insert, and I could say I want to insert at the front of the list Jane. Now, if I do that, Jane gets put at the front because I specified index 0. Now, something important to remember is if I put something at the beginning of a list and Bill was index 0 before that, Bill is now index 1. So every time I change a list, whether I reorder it or I sort it, alphabetize it, take something out, put something in, it starts over with a new index. It re-indexes the list. So the first thing is always 0. If I change this so that it's in alphabetical order, my new index will be 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Because that's alphabetical. And when I print that list, it'll be in that order too. And I'm going to show you how to do sorting here in a little bit. But adding values, so we've got append or insert, depending on whether you have a specific position in the list that you want or you're just appending it to the end. When you think of append, think of the appendix of a book, like just adding it to the end.